What's up, YouTube? Got my boy Mark over here who's doing some fuck shit for me because I suck. We got the F30. You know what I'm saying? You almost ain't know it was a F30, right? With that bumper reflectively in that new fender. I got that new destroyed bumper because it's not on. I ran it over. No, and we fixing a fucking ABS sensor that the bumper ripped off. But today, I'm gonna teach you how to install these in 5 minutes. Okay, so I don't have a OEM sway bar. I mean, there's not even a sway bar, strut bar. So we gotta take this off to be able to drop the coil. And then we're gonna put this jack on it so we can support it while that jack's holding the car, you know? Okay, so we took strut tower off.
Oh, one side.
Yep, we supporting it right here as you can see. Now Mark is gonna lower it a little bit.
A lot of it.
Yup. And now we're gonna slide this Johnny in there. Yep, that's about it. You hold it.
Right there.
Right there. Oh, my fault, brody. Boom.
Oh shit, my dumb ass.
Y'all seen how quick that was though, right? Let me put the camera away. Dead eyes, the longest part's taking off the wheels. As you can see, we just did it. Now we're gonna install my strut tower again and do the other side. The plate is already in there, as you can see. Now my strut tower is reinforced. About it. Yeah, it's basically a washer between your coil and whatnot. But we're gonna get to the other side, finish this. The wheels on. Time to go down with it. Off the second plate, as you can see.
What the fuck?
What happened? So I think he sent me 2 right ones because as you can see, this hole doesn't line up with this. But I'm gonna just put it on. So if you're doing it by yourself, what I would recommend is to put the plate on the coil. So you just need to line up the coil. You can literally hold the coil with one hand under the fender and use the other one for the jack. And just line it up by yourself.
I'm bored.
And just like that, both sides are done. We just gotta put on the... Oh, what the fuck? Hold up. What is he doing? Oh, he twerking.
Nigga, why is it so green like that? Like it ran into some teeth.
I don't know, brody.
That nigga clap. Nigga, no, look, he's taking all that green shit off of him.
Just like that, we all done. Make sure you put the strut tower back together. You all set. So I don't know how this man got in the light, but he's in there. And I just had to do the most to get him out. Look at him. Literally had to drop this whole thing.